Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey in the world of government security personnel vetting? Welcome to 3CIR's Certificate 4 in Government Security PSP 40316. This course is designed for those passionate about safeguarding our nation's most sensitive information. With a focus on the intricate ethical, legal, and procedural standards of public service, you'll gain the expertise needed to excel in this vital field. Imagine having skills in conflict resolution, advanced workplace communication, and conducting security assessments. That's what awaits you in this comprehensive program. Upon completion, a world of opportunities opens up for you. From security vetting officers to government security roles, the path to a fulfilling career is clear. And the best part? Study at your own pace, online, or get recognized for your existing skills with our recognition of prior learning option. Your future is in your hands. Join us at 3CIR and take the first step towards a career that makes a real difference. Enroll now and secure your future today.